Make a great choice today with 2005 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors. Come see the car for yourself.